More than 2,000 years ago, deep within ancient Mesopotamia, a strange object may have challenged everything we believe about human history. It looked simple at first glance, a small clay jar. Inside it, archaeologists discovered a copper cylinder and an iron rod sealed with bitumen. But some researchers began asking a shocking question. Could this object have been an ancient battery? If true, it would mean people living in the ancient world may have understood a form of electricity long before modern science officially discovered it.
The artifact later became known as the Baghdad Battery. It was discovered near Baghdad in regions once connected to the Parthian Empire around 2,000 years ago. The object itself was small, but its implications were enormous. Ancient civilizations already amazed historians with engineering, mathematics, and astronomy, but electricity seemed impossible for that period. The idea sounded almost unbelievable. Yet, when scientists recreated the object using acidic liquids like vinegar or grape juice, a small electrical current was produced.
The design of the artifact appeared strangely familiar. A clay container held a copper cylinder, and an iron rod sat inside the center. Together, these materials could create a chemical reaction. Modern batteries work using similar principles. This discovery led to endless debate among historians, engineers, and archaeologists. Some believed the artifact may have been used for primitive electroplating, possibly placing thin layers of gold onto silver objects. Others argued it had a completely different purpose.
Ancient Mesopotamia was one of the most advanced regions of the ancient world. Great cities rose beside powerful rivers. Trade connected distant kingdoms. Skilled metalworkers created beautiful jewelry, weapons, and ceremonial objects. If the Baghdad Battery truly generated electricity, it could mean ancient craftsmen possessed knowledge that later disappeared from history. Some researchers imagined hidden workshops where strange experiments took place under torchlight, deep beneath temples and palaces.
But not everyone accepts the theory. Many historians remain skeptical. Some experts argue there is no direct evidence the artifact was ever used as a battery. No wires were discovered beside it. No ancient text clearly describes electrical experiments. The object may have served a religious or storage purpose instead. Still, the unusual design continues to raise questions. Why combine iron and copper inside a sealed clay jar, if not for a chemical reaction?
The mystery became even more fascinating when researchers tested replicas of the artifact. Small electrical charges were successfully generated. The voltage was weak, but real. While it could not power modern machines, it may have been enough for simple electrochemical experiments. This possibility opened the door to larger questions. How much knowledge did ancient civilizations truly possess? And how much of that knowledge vanished during wars, invasions, and collapsing empires?
Throughout history, many discoveries have challenged accepted timelines. Monumental structures, advanced mathematics, and mysterious engineering techniques continue to surprise the modern world. The Baghdad Battery became part of that larger mystery. Some people saw it as evidence of forgotten technology. Others believed the theory was exaggerated. But even skeptics admitted one thing: the artifact was highly unusual for its time period.
Today, the Baghdad Battery remains one of history's most debated ancient artifacts. Locked behind museum glass, the small clay jar still inspires curiosity across the world. Was it truly an ancient source of electricity? Or is the modern world simply projecting advanced ideas onto an object from the distant past? No one knows for certain.
But somewhere beneath the deserts of ancient Mesopotamia, forgotten secrets may still remain buried beneath the sand, waiting to be discovered once again.